To use Mailchimp to send bulk emails, create an audience, import your contacts into Mailchimp or manually add them to create your email list. Organize your contacts into segments based on criteria like location, interest, or purchase history. Design your email. Choose a template or create your email design from scratch. Customize the content with text, images, and links. Ensure that your email is mobile responsive to optimize the viewing experience across devices. Personalize your emails. Use merge text to personalize your emails with recipients' names or other relevant information. Personalization can improve engagement and conversion rates. Set up your campaign. Navigate to the Campaigns tab and click Create Campaign. Select the email campaign type, choose your audience, and enter the campaign details like subject line and sender information. Review and test. Preview your email to check for any formatting issues or errors. Send test emails to yourself and colleagues to ensure everything looks and functions as intended. Schedule or send. Choose whether to send your email immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. You can also set up automated campaigns to send emails based on specific triggers or events. Monitor performance. Track the performance of your email campaign using Mailchimp's analytics dashboard. Monitor metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to gauge the effectiveness of your campaign.